Remember last time we mastered how to say my in French? Well, today we're leveling up. Because what if you want to talk about your book, or her bag, or his pen? This is one of the most common mistakes English speakers make because, yes, possessive adjectives work differently in French. But after this video, you'll never mix them up again. Let's go. Bienvenue sur French Made Simple, the place to learn French clearly, confidently, and step by step. Let's start with a quick recap. In French, there are 3 different ways of saying my. Mon for masculine nouns, ma for feminine nouns, and mes for plurals. So, mon livre, my book, ma chaise, my chair, mes stylos, my pens. Easy. If you can do this, you already know 80% of what's coming today, because the pattern is the same. In French, the possessive adjective always depends on the noun, not the person. Let's start with your. It works exactly the same as my. Ton is for masculine nouns. For example, ton livre, your book. Ta is for feminine nouns. Ta chaise, your chair. Tes is for plurals. Tes stylos, your pens. Say it with me. Ton livre. Ta chaise. Tes stylos. Amazing. Now let's move on to his, her. And this is where learners panic. But there's a secret. It's not about the person, it's about the thing. Son is for masculine, son livre, which means his book or her book in English. And that's the difference. In English, we focus on the person, whereas in French, it's on the thing. Sa is for feminine objects. Sa chaise, his or her chair. Ses is for plurals. Ses stylos, his pens or her pens. So remember, in English, we look at the owner. In French, we look at the object. So focus on the noun, not the person. Let's practice together. I'll say the English and you give me the French. Ready? Number 1. Your father. Ton père. Here we use ton because the noun père is masculine. Numéro 2. Your mother. Ta mère. Mère is feminine. Numéro 3. His sister. Sa sœur. Sœur is a feminine noun. Numéro 4. Her brother. Son frère. Brother is masculine. Numéro 5. Her parents. Ses parents. Parents is plural. How did you do? Let's take a look at some common mistakes. Many learners say sa livre because they think her equals sa. Nope. Livre is masculine, so it's son livre. Remember, look at the object, not the owner. So, quick summary. Ton, ta, tes equals your. Son, sa, ses equals his, her. It always depends on the noun, not the person. Now, write one sentence with ton, one with ta, one with son, and drop them in the comments. I'll check them for you. In the meantime, here's a song to practice your possessive adjectives with family members. Enjoy and à bientôt!
Voici ma famille.